Hey everyone! In our last video, we explored the charming city of Maribor. Today, we're diving into the lush, green beauty of Brestanica, a small but historically rich town in Slovenia. Let's get started. Brestanica might be small, with a population of around 1,000 as of 2024, but it's packed with history. This town's location along the Sava River made it a strategic spot for trade and communication over the centuries. You can really feel the town's deep connection to the river as you stroll through its scenic streets, where the past and nature come together so beautifully. Now let's talk about Rajhenburg Castle. This fortress, which was first built in the 9th century, has stood tall through the ages. It's perched high on a hill, 205 meters above sea level, offering breathtaking views of the Sava River Valley and the surrounding countryside. When you reach the top, the view is simply amazing. The castle's thick stone walls and towers tell tales of its role as a medieval stronghold. It's like stepping back in time while enjoying the stunning landscape all around. Rajhenburg Castle isn't just a fortress, it's a living monument to Slovenia's rich history. Over the centuries, it's seen many changes, from being a residence for nobility to serving as a monastery, and even as a political prison during World War II. Walking through its halls, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The castle also hosts a museum today, where you can explore exhibits on its diverse history and the life of the monks who once lived here. Plus, the castle grounds are perfect for a peaceful walk, surrounded by greenery and offering stunning views at every turn. Next up is the Basilica Lurska Mariae, a serene pilgrimage church dedicated to Our Lady of Lourdes. Built in the late 19th century, this church sits on a hill overlooking the town and the river. The neo-Gothic architecture is striking, and the peaceful vibe here makes it a perfect spot for reflection. It's more than just a church, it's a piece of Brestanica's soul, blending spirituality with nature's beauty. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Augustine of Hippo. I hope you enjoyed this little journey through Brestanica. It's amazing how such a small town can hold so much history and beauty. Up next, we'll be exploring the quaint village of Jesenice na Dolenjskem. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.